How to create bullets in PowerPoint. Let's start with some emoji that we want to use for bullets. Select all of them. Then grab the lower right corner handle and drag it until the emoji are the size you want them to be. Next, move the first emoji to a nice place on top of the slide. Then move the rest of the emoji to whatever vertical location you like. No need to be precise at all, just drag and drop them. Then select them all. On the Picture Format ribbon, open the Align tab. Select Align Left. Then select Align Vertically from the Align menu. Then drag the first text box next to the top emoji and drop it where the guidelines are centered. Do the same for the bottom text box. Drag it to the lowest emoji and center it with the guidelines. Drag the rest of the text boxes next to their emoji. No need to be precise. Select all the text boxes. Select Align Left from the Align menu. Then select Align Vertically from the Align menu.